everybody. I'm here at Playa Jardín. The meaning is garden beach. And of course, this is a castle. This beach is also called, Castle Beach, Playa Castillo. For obvious reasons, of course. Yeah, I would like to give you more details about this construction, but now, today, I'm gonna focus on this wonderful beach right here, where you can see a lot of people playing beach tennis and waiting for the sunset. Yeah, because now it's I think 7:30. It's 7:30. Of course, because of a volcano, the beach is black. Yeah, this place is very nice. If you want to have a good walk, you just go here. Of course, you can see a lot of coconut trees here, but it's not like Florida. Unlike Florida, we don't have a rainy season here. The rain is not so much, and of course, there are no coconuts here. Even though the climate could be okay for coconuts to grow. Of course, you have showers. I think they're not working because of the current COVID pandemic. Yeah, that's wonderful. The scenery is wonderful here. Of course, the temperature is not so muggy. It's humid, it's true, but temperatures are around 73 at the moment, so it's so nice, so comfortable. And of course, I want to walk here and possibly go to that point over there. That's called Punta Brava. The constructions are typical of the place. And it's called garden here because of the garden. Yeah, that's amazing. Looks like Arizona here. Well, if you have a cactus, means that it's a dry place. I was talking about that. Well, the garden is well kept. It's very difficult to take a walk with a face mask on. Well, it's very relaxing. It's also a beautiful green spot for city dwellers. Of course, you can see a lot of tourists, a lot of people walking up and down here. Yeah, this park, this playground for kids is closed. And I guess why, of course, COVID. Gee, I want this nightmare to end as soon as possible. A lot of people enjoy surfing here. There are big waves. Well, I think that the temperature of the sea is not so warm. I mean, it's cold. It's cool in summer, so it's okay in summer. But don't expect, a warm water as warm as the sea in Miami. Nothing like that. But it's amazing after all. We're getting to Punta Brava. I would like to share the atmosphere with you. Of course, folks, I have to, censor some audio. Not because I like doing that, but because, when there's music, there was a lounge bar with loud music. And of course, when there's music, you get the risk of being caught by the supreme algorithm by YouTube. And of course, I don't want to damage my video in a way or in another to receive, of course, violation restrictions and stuff like that. Yeah. Of course, the people hanging around here are from Germany, Britain, Russia, France, Italy. Well, at the moment, don't expect people from the USA because of COVID pandemic. This weird black beach is particular. I hope that they have properties, of course, for your health. So there is a glimpse of Punta Brava. I hope to get in as soon as possible because I'm looking forward to showing you, the beauty of this neighborhood. That's really nice. People are playing beach volley. There are a lot of young people. Of course, this is a place for retired people from all over Europe. But it's not true, because you can see a lot of young folks around here. A lot of kids. A lot of dogs, of course. And we're getting in. There's a restaurant here serving, I think, seafood and stuff like that. It must be very good. You know, let me just show you something. I know if you can see, some people are doing paragliding. That's amazing. Well, this alley is spectacular. You have a lot of colors. Yeah, sometimes it reminds me of the Pelourinho district of Salvador de Bahia, Brazil. But it's not the same, of course. The architecture is typical. I think it's like a maze here. I'm gonna get lost. Wow, beautiful. Well, I would like to come back here with more videos, specific video about this Punta Brava district. Let's go where? It's hard to say. I think that's wow, there's a boat here. Yeah. Ladies and gentlemen,